What's up? Thank you for coming back to Eat This Grinds and Cocktails and watching this video. We're going to make some jambalaya. If you want to go and research the history of jambalaya, it's all over the place. I don't know if it is originally African, Native American, Spanish, French. I'm sure they all contributed and influenced what they have in Louisiana now. Also, there's the debate of Cajun or Creole, brown, red. I think I go with the red version. Well, I know I go with the red version because I add tomatoes to mine. As long as you have the Holy Trinity, which is your celery, your green bell pepper, and your onion, you're going in the right direction. Throw yourself in some chicken, some sausage, and some shrimp. You're gonna have yourself a good dish, you know? That's all there is to it. It's gonna be great. The main difference between jambalaya and gumbo is whether you cook the rice in with it or if you cook it separately and serve it on the side. Jambalaya, you cook the rice in with it. Gumbo, it's cooked separately, put on the plate, you serve the gumbo on the side of it. I hope nobody attacks me for not knowing the difference. All I know is my kids love it. My middle son and I have cooked this together a lot. He loves this stuff. When I told him I was making jambalaya today, he was excited. Here, look at this picture. This is one of the first times we made it together. That was 4 years ago, 5 years ago, something like that. He loves this stuff. So anyway, let's make some jambalaya. get yourself a big old bowl, you know, and to hot sauce or not, that's another debate. I'm not going to get into that. It depends on which region you subscribe to. Doesn't really need the hot sauce. To spoon or to fork, that's another debate. It's all going to taste the same. It's good. If you haven't had jambalaya, once you taste it, you're going to be like, oh, that's what all the fuss is about. So, however you do it, you know, if you have a different method of doing it, that's all right. Give me a comment down below. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Eat This Grinds and Cocktails. Give us a thumbs up. Click the little subscription notification bell, whatever it is. Click the bell down there so it notifies you when there's a new video. Share it, like it, love it. It's all good. Oh my. If you don't know, you gotta know. You gotta try it. My kid is gonna be extremely happy. I don't know if you can see the tear coming down. That's from the fact that I just burned the crap out of my mouth again. And it's also because I'm so happy. So happy that I got me some jambalaya. Give it a shot, man. It's good stuff. You guys have a great day. Be good people. We'll see you next time. I'm going to eat some jambalaya.